Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Twoguysfinance's online statements. All right, if you're wondering how to use Twoguysfinance's online statements, this video is gonna show you the way. It's gonna be a really quick one. I'm just gonna give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're gonna do is to log into your Twoguysfinance account. You can do that on the online banking platform, or you could choose to do that on the mobile app. But once you're logged into your account, you're just going to select the accounts that you want to view statements for, and then you can just click on statements and then select the statement period that you want to view. You could just review your statements and transaction history from there. You could also download or print your statement. Likewise, you can review and verify your statement transactions to make sure everything is correct. And you can also contact Twoguysfinance's customer service if you're having any issues with your statement. And you can use Twoguysfinance to set up statement notifications, and that way you get to receive these notifications and updates about your statements. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Twoguysfinance's online statements. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next